Hi, I'm Sumi, and I'm here to make data analytics fun and easy. If you want to learn about the core data analytics concepts and how to use tools like Power BI, subscribe to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take your first steps in Power BI. It's going to be super fun, so let's get started.
Be aware that Power BI Desktop works only on Windows, so if you are on a MacBook, you'll need to find a workaround. The easiest way is to use a cloud-based solution like Azure Virtual Desktop, which lets you run a Windows environment on your Mac. Let me know in the comments below if I should record a video about that. The easiest way to get Power BI is through the Microsoft Store. Just open the store, search for Power BI, and click on Get. It's quick and straightforward. Alternatively, you can download it directly from the official Microsoft Store. Just head to the Download section, find Power BI Desktop, and click on Download. Follow the simple installation steps. Once it's installed, you're all set. All right, let's open it. When you first open up Power BI, you'll land in the Home view. This is your starting point. You'll see options to get data from various sources, access learning resources, and also open up saved reports. But for now, let's open up a blank report. Now, let's take a look at the top bar, which is also known as the ribbon. This is where you'll find different tools to import and modify data, to create or modify interactions, and more. It's organized into different tabs like Home, Insert, Modeling, View, Optimize, and Help. In the Home, you can import data, see your recent report sources, publish your reports, and more. Power BI integrates with different data sources for you to be able to import your data from various places, like, for example, your local storage, SharePoint, different databases, and so on. To see the full list of connectors that are compatible, click on Get Data, and then on More. Let's import an Excel workbook as an example. Simply select it and click on Connect. You will see a window popping up where you need to select the path to your document and then open. Next, you will see a preview of what's inside and you'll be able to select the sheet and then just click on Load. If you're still unclear on what data sources are or what are connectors, imagine you're a restaurant owner and your data are your raw veggies. Your cooks need those raw ingredients to prepare delicious meals. In this case, you can see the data sources as the place where you can get the produce that you need. So the store where you can buy it. And the list of connectors you see here are the storefronts. So here you can search for the store you want to buy your veggies from. Another important tool that you have embedded in Power BI is Power Query. Imagine Power Query as the kitchen in your restaurant. Here, your cooks have everything set up and all the tools that they need to prepare a delicious meal. To access Power Query, just click on Transform Data, and a new window will pop up. We won't be spending any time in Power Query today, but if you're interested, please let me know, and I'll record a video about it. To exit this view, just click on Close and Apply. Okay, let's move on. The Insert tab lets you add elements like text boxes, shapes, or images to your report. It's very helpful if you want to make the report a little bit more interactive and add consumer action points like buttons. The Modeling tab is for more advanced data work, like creating calculated columns and measures. We'll cover it in the future videos. The View tab allows you to change the look and feel of your report. You can browse through available themes or add your branded colors. And the Optimize view is a place where you can deal with performance issues of your report, for example, by pausing queries when adding new visuals. And the Help tab is your go-to for resources such as sample data, important links, and support. Okay, now let's look at the left side of the screen. Here you'll see 4 icons. These represent different views in Power BI. The first one is the report view. This is where you'll design your dashboard and create visualizations. You can think of it as the dining area of your restaurant, where your visitors are going to enjoy the delicious meals your kitchen prepares. The second one is the data view. This view lets you see and manage your data in a table format. You can inspect your data, make changes, and create calculated columns. Think of it as the pass or the expo at the restaurant. Here the waiters can see the prepared dish and inspect the quality as well as add something on top, like a mint leaf onto a dessert, to ensure an outstanding presentation. The third one is the model view. And here you'll create and manage relationships between your data tables. This is a more advanced topic and we'll cover it in detail in future videos. But metaphorically speaking, you can think of it as your restaurant's menu. It shows you which dishes are offered and what combination possibilities your guests have to get the best dining experience. And the fourth one is the DAX view. Here you can see your custom calculations. Now, finally, let's look at the right side of the screen. Here you will find three important panes or panels: data, visualization, and the filters panels. You can think of it as the area where you can assemble and prepare the final dish before it goes onto the pass and then to the customer. The data panel is where you'll find the columns for your data tables. Once you load data like we did before from our Excel book, remember, you'll see your data fields listed here, and you can drag and drop them later into your visualizations. The visualization panel is where you select the types of the chart and graphs you want to create. You'll find a variety of options here, from bar charts and pie charts to maps and tables. Think of it as the plates where your dish will be served. Let me demonstrate it quickly. Select any visual, for example, a clustered bar chart. And then on the left side, you will see an empty visual popping up. Now you will need to select certain fields from your data panel. So just move on to the right side again and select some fields. For example, country, region, destination ID. And now you see that the chart slowly populates. You can also increase the size of it to see it a little bit better. Okay, that was easy, right? Then remember you also have the filters panel. Here you can add filters to your visuals or to the entire page. Imagine your guest orders a salad, but without tomatoes, because of an allergy. That would be a filter that you apply to a single visual. We can also do a quick example here and filter the country on this visual. For example, select Brazil, and you'll see immediately that the visual has the filter applied to it. Okay, let's clean it out. And let's do another example for filters on all pages. Instead of just one visual, this filter would be applied on any visual on any page that you add in this dashboard. To make it a little bit simpler, imagine your menu this week in your restaurant is completely meat-free. That would be a good example of a filter that you applied on all pages because it will affect every dish and ultimately every visual that you add to your dashboard. As an example, you can drag and drop the region and then select, for example, mountain. Now you see that our visual was filtered by the region we selected, and any other visual that you would add to this dashboard would also be filtered by the region mountain. And that's it. I hope this video sparked your curiosity and inspired you to learn more. I'll be here to guide you every step of the way if you want to learn more about data analytics and how to work with tools like Power BI. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time. Until then, happy analyzing.